Chairman, Board of Directors, and General Manager of British American Tobacco, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and very good morning to you all. I must apologize for being a bit late, but I had to come from the West. Today is another milestone for British American Tobacco. Fiji, as the company's new production line, is being open for export to New Zealand. And I think his words were actually perfect. I don't even need to give a speech. BAT has a long history in Fiji, which spans about 55 years and has continuously invested in Fiji. Their investment has not been limited to just manufacturing, but they've also invested in their value chain, which includes Fijian growers, to ensure that the quality of the raw material is not actually compromised. BAT Fiji employs, ladies and gentlemen, about 130 permanent staff and 300 seasonal workers. And as I stated earlier, BAT Fiji has also pioneered a revolution in the agriculture sector by introducing sustainable agricultural practices and working closely with farmers. There is a long-standing relationship and goodwill between BAT and our local growers. BAT engages and supports around 500 farmers around the country through supervision and supply of seedlings and fertilizers, and the farmers in return supply their produce back to BAT. Export, ladies and gentlemen, is vital for the growth of our economy. We have experienced significant growth in the exports in 2014, and with companies like BAT breaking through new markets, we anticipate similar growth right throughout this year. Ladies and gentlemen, the establishment of exports by BAT to New Zealand further reinforces our vision to strengthen our position as the manufacturing hub, as alluded to earlier. This is a wonderful thing for my ministry to be able to speak about this all the time. We really, truly want to create Fiji as a wonderful manufacturing, just as a hub around the Pacific. This new export line will increase export earnings by approximately $3 million. The Fijian government has undertaken significant investment in infrastructure, education, and providing incentives to grow the manufacturing sector. It is now the responsibility of the industry to capitalize on the resources that we have. Therefore, like BAT, we encourage other manufacturers to take the leap into new markets, especially in markets where we have managed to gain better access. There is no market that is not reachable, especially as Fiji Airways is working towards establishing new routes and increasing frequency to existing routes, which will provide direct links to Asia and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's launch, I warmly congratulate BAT, a company that has undertaken substantial investments towards factory upgrades and new machineries and additional storage space for processing, which has led to export to the New Zealand market. This is in addition to exports BAT is already undertaking in the Pacific region. Ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, it is now my pleasure to declare the new production line officially open. Thank you very much.